In grade 1 and 2, you learned about energy. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 7. You've been learning about energy. Grade 1 and 2, you learned about sound and light. Now concerning sound energy. Sound energy is a form of energy generated when an object vibrates. Vibrate is a movement of up and down and up and down movement. As you see in the third caption, in the middle, you see a drum and drumsticks. When you use the sticks to hit the drum, the skin at the top moves up and down to produce sound. Then it is transferred to your ears. That signal in the brain interprets the sound. Sound energy is transferred in waves up and down through mediums. For example, on the left you can see a plane landing. The engine produces a lot of noise, and this is transferred to the ears, whereby the ear, the brain signals, it interprets the kind of sound you hear. On the right, we have a plane taking off. As you see it, the engine produces noise, and that is sound. Sound energy is the form of energy generated when an object vibrates. Vibration is the movement of up and down to produce sound waves. Sound energy is transferred in waves through mediums like metal, air, water, and the like. I hope you learn a lot. Sound energy, remember, is vibration that travels through the air or another medium and can be heard when they reach a person's or an animal's ear. For this fact, during a thunderstorm, you see lightning before the sound, and this is a fact that light travels faster than sound. Or we could say sound is slower than light. As a matter of fact, when we look at the speed, we see lightning before thunder, as you see in the caption. Let's move on. what sound is. We've said sound energy is movement of vibrations through matter. Sound energy is produced when an object vibrates, moves up and down, which results in noise. Well, there are different kinds of sounds also. The sound vibrations cause waves of pressure that travel through a medium such as air, water, wood, or metal. Sound energy is the form of energy generated when an object vibrates. We have different objects there, as you see, that can vibrate to produce nice sound. Once produced through vibration, sound energy is transferred in waves through mediums like metal, air, water, and the like. The examples given here as sources of sound include wood sounder, the name suggests, produces sound. Hand drum, you use hands to beat it. Triangle, you have the rod to hit the triangle. Wooden block, you have the rod to hit the block. We have markers, we have tambourine, very nice one, produces very nice sound if you know how to beat it. Castanet, we have sleigh bells, we have honey bells. You can use bottle tops to make honey bells. Chamber, all these produce nice sound if you know how to use them. If you know how to beat a drum, it can produce sweet sound. So sound can be pleasing and organized. An organized sound is called noise. Organized sound is melody, music. Also we use sounds to get a language. If you learn the sound, different sounds, there are many sounds in the world that produce nice languages for communication. So we use sound to communicate. Let's learn more. Have you ever wondered how do the deaf, blind, deaf, how does a deaf person hear noise, sound? Do they hear? They can't hear. They are deaf. Are they able to perceive sound? Oh yes. Even animals can sense danger. You even wonder why they were created low. An insect, a sugar ant, they are very low, but they can hear. Not through the ears, but they can sense. They have instincts to perceive sound. If, for example, this animal, the goose, cannot use the ears, so what does it use? It uses its feet. Its wide feet on the ground. It can hear. It can sense sound. It has instincts. Also, when you lie on the ground and put your ears on the ground, you can have the instincts of getting sound from far, from the ground, because of the vibration, the movement of up and down sound moves in waves to reach your ears. So small animals are able to instinctively sense sound. That's why a mosquito doesn't have to hear you, but it will suck your blood. How? and even other small animals. Sound energy is interesting. But do you remember what is sound energy? I repeat, sound energy is the physical vibration waves that travel through the air to reach the ears. The ear signals the brain to interpret the incoming sound of a car, a plane taking off, a plane landing, and the like. The energy is derived from external sources like singing, drumming, movement, and other similar sounds. Sound is produced when an object vibrates, resulting in noise or music or melody. The sound vibrations cause waves of pressure that travel through a medium such as air, water, metal, or wood. Sound energy contracts, that is